Hi guys, Neci here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of monogramming with the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So the first thing you need is your Kenmore machine, as well as a piece of fabric and some chalk. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is decide what letter or image you want to monogram. So I'm going to do the letter C today. So I'm going to take my chalk and I'm going to draw the letter C on my fabric. Okay, hence the letter C. So now what I'm going to do is go to my panel here, and I want to change my foot panel to the number 2 foot, and I want to change the length between 0 and 1, as well as the width. Let's do a 5 here. I'm going to start at the top of the C, and I'm pretty much going to do like a zigzag stitch. So I'll start here, right at the top of the C. I'll do a reverse stitch, and then I'm going to go around the C and just follow the line. The line is in the middle of my stitch. When I get to the end, I want to do a reverse stitch, hold it in place. Okay, pull it out, and now I have a monogram C. Isn't that wonderful? So you can do so many amazing things with the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our page, like us, and follow us on Instagram. And thank you for viewing. Happy sewing.